This is one of the projects that is under Winfit's care. We are here in Waterfalls where we are building for one of our clients. We started this project from the foundation up, and right now we are plastering, we're doing electrical installations and also the roof. Let Winfit take care of your every needs. Building with Winfit Services gives you a good night's sleep. We are offering installments, and currently we are running a promotion where we are offering our clients a favorable rate. So get in touch with us. Contact us on the numbers that are appearing on your screen. Winfit Services, service provision is our passion.